Hello and welcome to We Grow Wild. So today we're gonna pamper ourselves. The past few days have been very difficult for my body. For some reason I don't feel good, so I decided to dedicate this morning to pampering myself, to take some good space and some good care on my physical being and also mental being. What I'll show you today in this little video is a couple of 3 recipes actually that I used to do when I need to. So what we will do is an hair mask, a body scrub, and a deodorant, a solid deodorant. And these 3 recipes, I've been doing them consistently, but probably not all of these recipes work for everyone. We have different bodies, we have different lifestyles, different diets, so adjust accordingly, but they work for me. So the first recipe is a simple herbal concoction that I used to put on my hair. So today I'm gonna use nettle powders. It's really easy. You pick up nettles, you dry them, and then when they are really nice and dry, you just grind them. So we mixed this powder in water, and if you want you can add, here I'm adding another herbal mix of ingredients that I found online, and it's really nice. It has really nice ingredients. This has shikakai, amla, henna, and other herbal ingredients. So I add this as well into the mix, but you can add only the nettle powder. Another plant that I really like is rosemary. Put on this strange shower cap. You can put any type of hat to protect your hair. And then what we'll do is to go on to the next concoction, which is the easiest one here, and it's super easy. You just mix coffee grounds with an oil of your choice. I like to add some coconut oil because it's really nourishing and also antibacterial. It has a nice smell, it's nice. And also another oil that I make, and I can link how I make it in the description box. Just put the scrub in a jar and keep it in my fridge, and I just use it before the shower once a month or something. and I think it's a really nice gift if you want to do, you know, some small DIY gifts. I think it's really nice. And that's it for the second concoction. So we should move into the next one. I really like this deodorant. It works really well on my skin, but not everyone thinks that works. For example, I gave it to some friends to try it, and some people really loved it and are still using it. And for example, my sister didn't really think it was effective enough. So the ingredients that you need is any type of wax that works for you. So you can use candelilla wax if you're vegan, you can use beeswax or any wax that you tried and worked for you. And then we'll need coconut oil, shea butter, and arrowroot powder. These ingredients for me are the base of the deodorant. Then you can add on some herbal powders if you want, or essential oils if you like. I like it simple, but sometimes, you know, it's nice to fancy things up. So the first thing that we do is to put in a container about 2 tablespoons of beeswax. Then we go on to the arrowroot powder and we put 2 tablespoons of it. The arrowroot powder is a powder that is created from the arrowroot vegetable. It's a root vegetable that has so many nice minerals such as magnesium, potassium, calcium. It kind of absorbs the sweat, and I really like it. If you don't find it, you can find it online, I think. You can also use cornstarch, works really well. And then we're gonna add shea butter and coconut oil. Once you pour it inside, you just wait for 1-2 hours, depending where you store it, and then it's good to be used. And it's a really nice deodorant. It's nice and solid, so you don't have to use any, you know, containers. But I like to keep it in a piece of cloth, like a cotton or linen cloth. So these are my three to-go recipes when I want to pamper myself. Of course, the deodorant and the scrubs last longer than just one use. The deodorant can last, I think, 6 months, I think. And so you can try them. Let me know if you like all of these recipes, if you try them yourself, how it goes. how you feel and all of that. Yes, then I just go to the shower and rinse my hair and, shower and use the scrub. And then once I'm out the shower, I like to add some nice oil on my skin. I'm using different type of oils for my skin. I'm experimenting. It depends also. My diet influences on the conditions of my skin. I have a combination skin, so it's really like a little bit of a pain, a little bit, problematic sometimes, but not always. And I really like the rosehip's seed oil. It just works wonderfully on my skin. It really absorbs onto my skin quickly and is so gentle and is so nourishing for my skin. So I apply that and I give myself a nice little massage, and then I like to apply on my body the Joyful Salve, which is a product that I made and sold last year, I think, and it's a really nice herbal botanical skincare product. It's just a salve full of nice ingredients that really works with my skin. That's about it. Then I put on some nice cozy clothes and I'm ready to tackle my day. So let me know if you want more pampering videos like this. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for coming along with me in this pampering morning. And let me know if you tried any of the recipes that I showed you today, and see you next time.